Welcome to my apiary. This is just a quick update on a couple of things I tried earlier on in another video, and I told you I would let you know how it went. So this is me letting you know how it went. What I did was in this colony, and I think that one, they were queenless, and I took two of my newly grafted, newly mated queens from the other side of the yard here, and I just direct released laying queens. And again, the principle at that point was a queenless colony will accept a laying queen pretty much every time. And that's all I did. I didn't put anything else. I didn't use smoke. I didn't use sugar syrup. I didn't use, pheromone mask, anything. And the result is this one took and that one didn't. So I had 50% success there. And that's not good enough for my book. I've been told that drench everybody down with some sugar syrup, and they're so distracted by licking each other off that by the time they're done, they're accepting of everyone. So I will be trying that in the future, and also for introducing nukes, perhaps. My problem with that method is I don't usually have a spritzer of sugar syrup ready when I'm doing this stuff, so I need to kind of remedy that situation. So that's the update, and so that's the result of this direct release mated queen. Not only mated queen, laying queen. So I took her from the far side of the yard, put her in a cage, brought over here, direct released her. That's what I did. 50% acceptance among a sample size of 2, which is not hardly statistically significant, but I don't like those odds overall.